it's more important to know how not to feel. So when you enter a school, you generally have a sense of confinement. I wanted to be in the education space, but I wanted to have some grounding, some philosophical base on thinking about education. Puts a lot of constraint on what you can do at the university. So school seemed like an extension to my creative expression more than any probably business idea. Or the importance of ecology and architecture in the learning experience, and the central relationship between the teachers and the students. If the kids are not feeling comfortable in their own being, then I think learning is not going to happen that much. Starting any organization, especially as complex as a school, I think it requires a lot of support from family especially. We are not going to focus on any sort of competitive training. We are not going to have competitions in school. We're not going to have a uniform kind of thing in school. We're going to be very informal. If the kid wants to sleep in class, we'll allow him to sleep. I think as much as it is important to know how to think, it is also equally important to know what to think about. Do not be burdened by this make-believe load that is being put on you. That not only burns you out, but it also reduces how creative you can be.